Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Wiki. In this video, I will be talking about topics to be covered for legal reasoning section. This video will be in very brief about the legal subjects to be focused on. In our next video, I will be talking in details what will be the important topics for your legal reasoning. As you know, legal reasoning is very important for your CLAT preparation. And why? Let's see in the next slide. See, when you will come across the syllabus of CLAT, you can see in legal reasoning there will be around 35 to 39 questions. In general knowledge also it's like 35 to 39 questions, but after doing the analysis of the previous year papers, you can obviously figure it out. From legal reasoning they will be asking around 40 questions. Okay, like there's a 99% chances, and when it comes to general knowledge they will be asking 35 questions. So this is how they're asking the questions. Okay, so when it comes to English there will be around 30 question, logical 30 to 25 question, current affairs 35, legal 40, quant 15 questions will be there. So this is the question pattern. Okay, moving on, legal reasoning. So as per the CLAT consortium, the first of all is you don't need prior knowledge of law. But when you'll do the analysis of the previous year paper or the sample paper, when you'll witness, you'll understand having the prior knowledge of legal reasoning will help you in comprehending the passages. Considering the very less time, you'll have to have the knowledge of the legal reasoning concepts. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to comprehend within less time period. So let's see what CLAT consortium wants to say. So as per the CLAT consortium, जो आपका passage होगा, it will be around 450 words. ठीक है? Passages may relate to fact situation or scenarios involving legal matters, public policy questions or moral philosophical inquiries. So this is what they says. And then later on, it's written that you will benefit from a general awareness of contemporary legal or moral issues. It means कि आपको न्यूज़पेपर भी पढ़ना होगा साथ साथ में. It's not only for GK section but also for your legal section. For CLAT 2022 for December examination, ठीक है, when you will see the sample paper released by them, all the questions said by them for the legal reasoning was actually based on contemporary legal issues. So reading newspaper articles is one of the important thing for you. So now moving on, so what are the topics you're supposed to cover for legal reasoning section? So I have divided this into two parts. One is you're supposed to cover the static subjects. Second is you're supposed to cover the contemporary issues, or we can say current legal knowledge topics. So for static subjects, the first topic will be contract. Then law of torts, Constitution of India. There will be a lot of topics under the Constitution of India which are supposed to cover. So in our next video, I'll cover what are the topics you will be covering under contract, torts, constitution, IPC and others. So miscellaneous subjects like family law, arbitration, IPR, international law. So basically they have covered all these subjects in their previous year paper. Again, coming to the contemporary issues. So by reading the Hindu newspaper, by reading different blogs, judgments, Hindu ले लो या फिर Indian Express, you will be able to cover all the important current topics. So now the important point is how you will begin with your preparation. So the first important point to remember is clear your concepts, right? So you need to understand the basics of law. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you. Law words are very different, right? There are different maxims, there are different legal words. You will not be able to understand directly if you'll see in the examination paper. So that's the reason preparation beforehand is important. Second, solve the previous year papers, solve the sample papers released by them. From there, you will be having a fair idea what you're supposed to cover and how you're supposed to cover. Third, solve sectional test. So basically, you're supposed to allot 40 minutes. This time will be reduced, but initially, you're supposed to give 38 to 40 minutes for 40 questions. So, give sectional test as many sectional tests you can. Fourth, attempt mocks. Never miss any mock. This is considered to be new study material. So, the more you will be giving mock, the more you will doing the analysis, the more you will be able to understand. Okay, moving on. So, how to choose the correct option is one of the difficult part, which basically most of the students get stuck. So, once you'll figure it out, that what will be the correct option to choose, it will be very easy for you to score at like minimum I'm telling 35 to 36 marks, and the maximum of course it can go 38, 39, 40. So first of all, you will be reading the comprehension, then you will be attempting the question. Never form hypothetical situation in your mind. Don't use prior knowledge, whatever you have studied in your class. Second, use the elimination method. Elimination method से of course you will be able to दो answers आप obviously आप discard कर दोगे. Then you are left with two options. So how you will be choosing the best options? For that, what I have mentioned is the first best option will be based on principle and facts. Second best option will be based on principle only. And the third best option will be based on facts. So this is how you will be figuring out what will be the best options after eliminating the two options. So this is the brief video. This is the brief about how to go with the legal reasoning section and what the topics you're supposed to cover. For more detailed video, stay tuned. Thank you everyone. Like, share, comment, subscribe.